Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to Speak Squad Chats. I'm Jake, I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I am so excited you found us today.
And I'm Maria from Miami, Florida. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the squad.
So this is episode 1 of Speak Squad Chats, and we are starting with something really important.
The very first thing that happens in any English conversation.
The greeting, the hello, that very first moment when two people start talking.
Because here's the thing, in America, every single day starts with small talk. At the coffee shop, at the office, with your neighbor, with a complete stranger in the elevator.
And if you know exactly what to say in those moments, everything changes.
You feel confident, you feel natural, you feel like, yes, I can actually do this.
And that feeling, that's what Speak Squad Chats is all about.
So we have 10 conversations for you today. Short ones, real ones, the kind you will actually use tomorrow morning.
Let's jump right in. Conversation number 1. Okay, this is the most common greeting in America, the one you will hear every single day without fail.
Ready?
Hey Maria, good morning. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Jake. I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Pretty good. I just got my coffee, so honestly, life is good right now.
Coffee really does make everything better, doesn't it?
It really, truly does. Every single time.
Okay, pause. Did you catch what just happened there?
I did not say, I am fine, thank you. Nobody says that in real conversation. It sounds memorized. It sounds stiff. It sounds like a textbook.
Instead, I said, I'm doing really well, thanks for asking. Short, warm, natural, friendly.
And then I added something personal. I just got my coffee, so life is good right now. That tiny little detail, that's what makes it sound completely real.
It shows you're actually talking to the person, not just reciting practiced words at them.
So, here is your very first Speak Squad Chats phrase. Instead of, I am fine, thank you, say, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Just that. Simple, natural, perfect. Say it with us right now. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Beautiful. Let's keep going.
Conversation 2. This one happens every single morning for millions of Americans.
The coffee shop greeting. This one is important. This one you absolutely need.
Hi there. Good morning. Welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Good morning. Can I get a medium coffee, please? Black, no sugar.
Of course. Anything else for you today?
No, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Looks like a busy morning?
Oh yeah, big meeting first thing. I need all the coffee I can possibly get today.
I completely understand that feeling. Here you go. Have a great one.
Thanks so much. You too. Have a wonderful morning.
Okay, 2 phrases right there that you absolutely need to know and use.
Number 1, have a great one. This means have a great day. Very casual, very American. You will hear it absolutely everywhere.
Stores, restaurants, coffee shops, offices, elevators, everywhere.
And number 2, you too. The perfect response every single time. Short, warm, natural, done.
So, the next time someone says, have a great one, you say, thanks, you too. That's it. That's all you need.
Conversation 3, Monday morning. You walk into the office, you see your coworker. This moment happens every single week of your working life.
Monday morning, the hardest morning of the entire week.
The absolute hardest, no question. Okay, here we go. Hey Maria, happy Monday. How was your weekend?
Oh, it was really nice actually. I just stayed home, relaxed, watched some movies. Nothing too exciting, but honestly, exactly what I needed. How about yours?
Really good. We took the kids to the park on Saturday. Perfect weather, perfect day. It was such a great time.
Aw, that sounds so fun. The kids must have loved it.
They were completely exhausted by the end, which honestly means I won.
That is always the goal with kids. Okay, big week ahead though?
Always is. But let's do it. You ready?
Not even a little bit, but here we go anyway.
So, How was your weekend? This is the most common Monday morning question in all of America.
You will hear it every single Monday, without exception, guaranteed.
And notice how Maria answered. She didn't just say, "Good," and stop there. She said, "It was really nice. I stayed home, relaxed, watched movies. Nothing too exciting, but exactly what I needed."
2 sentences, 1 small personal detail. That is truly all you need.
And then, the most important part of all, she asked back, "How about yours?"
Maria, pointing directly at the camera, always ask back. That is the golden rule of small talk in English.
When you ask back, the conversation keeps going naturally. You show the other person you care, you're interested, you're listening.
You're not just waiting for your turn to talk. You're actually connecting with another human being.
That makes all the difference.
And yes, we are absolutely talking about the weather today.
Because in America, we love talking about the weather. It is the #1 small talk topic, bar absolutely none.
If you ever don't know what to say to someone, talk about the weather. It works every single time with every single person.
Here we go.
Can you believe this weather today? It is so gloomy out there.
I know, right? It was completely sunny and beautiful yesterday, and now it's raining again. Make up your mind.
Seriously, and of course, I did not bring an umbrella today. Of course I didn't.
Classic, absolutely classic. Do you think it'll clear up later?
I really hope so. The forecast said maybe this afternoon. Fingers crossed. I have lunch plans outside.
Oh no, well, fingers crossed for sure. You deserve that lunch break.
Okay, fingers crossed. Do you know this expression?
When you say fingers crossed, it means you are really hoping for something good to happen. You want something to go a certain way very much.
Like, I have a big exam tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Or, I applied for that job. Fingers crossed they call me back.
You can even do the physical gesture. Crosses his fingers and holds them up to her camera. Like this. Everyone understands immediately.
Universal. Completely universal.
And can you believe this weather? This phrase is absolutely perfect for starting a conversation with anyone. Stranger, coworker, neighbor, anyone at all.
It's safe, it's friendly, and everybody, everywhere has an opinion about the weather.
Conversation 5. This one is extremely relatable.
Extremely, painfully, personally relatable for me. Ugh. You look tired. Your friend notices. This conversation happens. Sorry, I'm just so out of it this morning. I can barely keep my eyes open, honestly.
Hey, you okay? You look completely exhausted, Maria.
I didn't sleep well at all last night. I was up until like 2 a.m., just lying there staring at the ceiling.
Oh no. What happened? Everything all right?
Yeah, everything's totally fine. I just couldn't turn my brain off. You know that feeling?
Oh, completely. I know that feeling so well. I hate nights like that. Have you had coffee yet?
I'm already on my 2nd cup and I still feel like a complete zombie.
Hang in there. It'll kick in soon, I promise.
Okay, 2 really important expressions right there.
First one, I couldn't turn my brain off. This means your mind was too busy, too many thoughts. You couldn't relax enough to actually fall asleep.
So incredibly relatable, especially on Sunday nights before a Monday morning.
Jake nods very knowingly, especially Sunday nights.
Second phrase, hang in there. This is so common in everyday American English.
It means don't give up. Keep going. Things are going to get better very soon. I believe in you.
You use it when someone is tired, stressed, overwhelmed, having a hard day. Hang in there, you've got this.
Warm, encouraging, supportive, completely natural.
And out of it, this means you feel confused, unfocused, not fully awake or present. Sorry, I'm so out of it today.
Very common, very useful. Use it freely. Conversation 6. You're leaving your house in the morning. You see your neighbor outside. this can feel surprisingly awkward.
But with the right phrases, it's actually so easy. Watch.
Oh, hey, good morning. Heading out early today.
Yeah, got a really full day ahead. You know how it goes sometimes.
Oh, I completely know that feeling. Hey, have a good one.
Thanks so much. You too. Stay warm out there. It's chilly this morning.
Will do. Take care. See you around.
Short, sweet, warm, friendly. Perfect. That is a perfect neighbor conversation right there.
Notice, nobody talked for 20 minutes. It was maybe 15 to 20 seconds total.
And that is completely fine. Small talk does not have to be long to be good.
It just has to be genuine. It just has to be warm.
Have a good one. You too. Stay warm out there. Done. You're officially a wonderful neighbor now.
And see you around. This just means I'll see you again sometime. Our paths will cross. Very casual, very natural. Zero pressure.
Conversation 7 is a little different today. This one is texting.
Because so much of our English now lives on our phones, in messages and texts and DMs.
And texting has its very own special style. Shorter, more casual, more relaxed, more human.
Generous direction to read from phone, casual. Hey, you up yet?
Generous direction. Reading back. Yep, just making coffee. What's up?
Nothing much, Lo. Just checking in. How you feeling today?
Honestly, half asleep still. You?
Same, honestly. Okay, we got this. Let's both survive today.
Cool. Talk later. Generous direction. To camera.
Texting English is completely different from formal written English, but it is just as important to understand and use.
Words like lol, laugh out loud, ha ha, I'm laughing, this is funny, yep instead of yes, nope instead of no.
And notice how you're feeling, not how are you feeling. In texting, we drop words all the time, completely normal.
That's real English. That's how your American friends actually text each other every single morning.
Don't be afraid of it. Embrace it completely. Generous direction to camera. Conversation 8. Your friend has amazing news. They're bursting with excitement. They can barely contain it.
Generous direction. Rushes in, huge, excited smile. Jake, oh my gosh, I have to tell you something right now.
Generous direction. Immediately leaning forward. What happened? Tell me everything.
I got the job. I just got the email this morning. Jake, I got the job.
Generous direction. Jumps up, genuinely thrilled. No way! Are you serious right now? That is amazing, Maria. Oh my gosh.
I literally screamed when I read it. I woke up my cat and probably my neighbors too.
Generous direction. Laughing. That poor cat. But honestly, who even cares?
Generous direction. Emotional. Happy tears. Thank you, Jake. I'm still shaking a little, honestly.
You should be shaking. This is huge. I am so incredibly proud of you.
Generous direction. To camera. Okay, no way. This is one of the most useful and most common expressions in all of American English.
It means I cannot believe it. That is so surprising. That is incredible. It is not negative at all. It is pure excitement and happy disbelief.
Generous direction. To camera. Are you serious? Same beautiful energy. You're so surprised and happy, you just need to double check it's real.
And you deserve this. This is such a genuinely beautiful thing to say to someone you care about. It means this good thing happened because you worked hard, because you earned it, because you are worthy of it.
Use these phrases with your friends. They will absolutely love you for it. You're running late. You're stressed. You're texting frantically while walking fast.
We have all been in this exact situation, every single one of us.
Hey, I am so sorry. I'm running a little late. Maybe 10 minutes behind? I'm really sorry.
No worries at all. I literally just got here too. Check your time. I'll grab us a table.
Oh, thank goodness. Traffic was absolutely insane this morning.
It's always something. See you in a few.
On my way right now. Thank you for being so understanding.
No worries. This is so important in everyday American English. People say this constantly, every single day.
It means it is completely okay. Do not stress about it. I am not upset with you at all. Everything is fine.
Relaxed, kind. It removes the guilt immediately. Such a warm and generous phrase.
And I'm running late, not just I am late. I'm running late is much more natural, much more common.
Running late means you're on your way, but you will arrive a little after the planned time.
Perfect phrase. Text it, say it, you will definitely need it.
We all need it. Regularly. Trust us on that one. And here we are, Conversation 10, our final one today.
And honestly, this might be my favorite of all 10.
The morning goodbye. That moment when you end a conversation, when you leave for work, when you finish your coffee with a friend, when real life is about to begin.
That moment when you say, okay, here we go. Let's do this day.
Okay, Maria, I should really get going. Big day ahead.
Yeah, me too, honestly. This was so nice, though. I really needed this little morning chat.
Same. Always good to catch up, even just for a few minutes. Hey, go get them today, okay?
You too, Jake, and don't let Monday win.
Never, absolutely never. Have an amazing day, Maria.
You too. Talk soon.
Go get 'em. This is a classic, very American expression. It means go do great today. Go succeed. Go show the world exactly what you've got.
You say it before something important, before work, before a big meeting, before a challenging day ahead.
It's energetic. It's encouraging. It's a little push of confidence from one person to another.
And don't let Monday win. That is just real and honest life wisdom for every single one of us.
Real life wisdom every single Monday. Okay, Speak Squad Chats family. Before we say goodbye, let's review everything from today. Maria, take it away.
1. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? 2. Have a great one. You too. 3. How was your weekend? 4. Fingers crossed. 5. I couldn't turn my brain off.
6. Hang in there. 7. I'm so out of it today. 8. No way. Are you serious? 9. No worries. Take your time. 10. Go get 'em. Don't let Monday win.
10 phrases, 10 conversations, all completely real, all completely natural, all things real Americans say every single morning.
Say each one out loud right now. Seriously, pause the video and say them.
Because hearing English is good, but speaking it out loud, that is where the real learning happens, every single time.
So here is your one challenge from episode 1. Just one small brave thing.
Tomorrow morning, when someone says, "How are you?" do not say, "I am fine, thank you."
Instead, say, "I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?"
That's it. That one small change, that one small brave moment.
And watch how differently the conversation feels. Watch how naturally and warmly it flows.
Because confidence in English doesn't come from knowing everything perfectly.
It comes from trying one small thing, then another small thing, then another.
Little by little, one morning at a time, one conversation at a time.
That's how fluency is built. That's how it works for absolutely everyone.
Thank you so much for being here with us today. Welcome to the Speak Squad Chats family. We're so happy you're here.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. We have so many amazing episodes coming your way very soon.
Leave us a comment below. Tell us which conversation today felt most useful for you. We read every single comment. Everyone, always.
Have a beautiful morning, everyone. Go get 'em. See you in episode 2. Both wave warmly at the camera. This is Speak Squad Chats, where your English journey begins.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.